excited to be participating in this $10 dollar store challenge hosted by Sonia of Domestic Diva DIY. Sonia is a creative crafter and she has made wonderful crafts. I'll have her channel listed down below as well as the playlist. Everything I used for this challenge came from Dollar Tree. I got these white cutting boards, two of these black oval shaped wire baskets. I got this wonderful contact paper, as you can see from my craft table. I like it a lot. Got this ribbon and these pick garland, as well as chalk markers and these tags. My contact paper, I just laid it down over my boards and just creased out the edges of the board so I would know where to cut. I removed the backing off of the contact paper and just placed it on the indented part of the cutting board. I did this for both of them. I took this pick garland and just wrapped it around the handles of both of the boards about 3 times and just pushed it together, and it stayed well. I took my baskets and I took this pretty burlap and lace ribbon and wrapped it around my baskets. I love this ribbon so much, and I just used a dab of glue to hold it together, and I didn't want to use a lot of glue because I didn't want it to show through the lace and ribbon. I glued them to my boards using a combination of E6000 and hot glue, and I glued it around the wire edges and the seam in the back to start off with. And then I just took a little bit of the hot glue and the E6000 and glued it to the board through the wire mesh to try to give it more stability. I used my little tags I got from Dollar Tree and just wrote on each one of them. I wrote coffee pods on one of them and tea on the other. Hopefully these will go with my coffee station that I hope to have one day. And I just kind of decorated them a little bit before gluing them to the fronts of the baskets. And the little tag, the little rope that I used for the tag, I just made a little simple bow and glued it where the hole is. And here's the finished product. I really love this. I hope you do too. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. And thank you, Sonia, for this challenge. I think I spent $9. $2 for the boards, $2 for the baskets, $1 for the ribbon, $1 for the tags, $1 for the pig, and $1 for the chalk mark, as well as $1 for the contact paper. Till next time, bye.